Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today, that is 24th August 2022, I have taken three trades, so out of which one of them is a non-sync trade. So let us discuss those trades. So the very first trade is that from banking sector, so that is IndusInd Bank. So yeah, so my entry price was at 1089. 1089 was my entry price, and stop loss was at 1086. So if you check in the lower time frame, so after formation of this a bullish candle, so I took an entry. So my entry was at 1089. So in this candle, so that is at 1235 candle, my trade got executed, and the stop loss was at 1086. But I was not confident of this trade, so because of which I exited my position. So I thought it would definitely hit my stop loss. So based on that, I have exited my position in between. So I have exited around 1087.40. So in this candle, I have exited my position around 1252. In a 1250 candle, I have exited my position. So I have also taken trade in Axis Bank and Cholamandalam Finance. So we'll discuss both of them. Axis Bank, I have taken entry at 746 in this candle. So my trade got executed in 150 candle. So in this candle, my trade got executed, and entry was at 746, and stop loss I have placed as 744. So you can see it went along with the trend. If you check the sector, so it was in downtrend, it followed the trend. So basically most of the times I go along the trend. So the same thing I have done here also. See, it went upside. So I thought of exiting at 752, but my broker squares at 310. So because of which I need to square it off in this candle. So or else it would have hit 752. So I have exited at 749.50. So I did not even uh, receive 1:2 ratio. Yeah, so the last stock is from finance sector, and the trade which I have taken is from Cholamandalam investment, Cholamandalam finance. So sector was in uptrend. So based on that, uh, I thought of taking a long position. So if you check Cholamandalam finance, see the very first candle, the very first 5 minutes candle, it made a very bullish momentum. So for taking a trade, I waited for a bullish candle formation. So here I have found a bullish candle formation. So I have taken entry. So in this candle, so my entry price was at 788.50. Stop loss I have placed as a 785.50. So below this candle was my stop loss. So entry was at 788.50. So let me see the exact time. So it was around 10:29. So in this candle, my trade got executed. In the red candle, trade got executed. So you can see it went upside. It followed the trend. So I have exited at 798.25. So in this candle I have exited my trade. So after that you can see it went till 800.25. Yeah, and I have also missed a trade. So we'll also discuss that. So that is from metal sector. So if we check the sector, so candle starts from here. So in the very first half of the day, it was in uh, bearish side. So based on that, I thought of taking an entry in Hindalco. See, if you see Hindalco in a 15 minutes chart, so here you can see a bearish candle with huge volumes. So based on this candle formation, I thought of taking an entry. So in the next candle, so I have placed my entry as 430. So it did not hit my entry position. So it came till 429.95. It did not hit 430. So my stop loss would have been 431.50. Uh, yeah. So this was uh, all the trades for today. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.